You open your fridge late at night, the milk is sitting there, looking perfectly fine, but your eyes catch the tiny printed date, expired yesterday. At 11:59 p.m. your food seems safe. At 12:01 a.m., suddenly dangerous? That makes no sense, right? You trust that little printed date more than your own eyes. But what if that date is misleading you? If you've ever wondered about things like this, you're in the right place. This is Simple Things Analysis. Today, we're uncovering why you've been throwing away perfectly good food and why it might actually still be safe. Imagine this. You're pouring milk into your cereal, noticing that it smells perfectly fine. You glance at the date, expired. You hesitate. You're about to pour it down the sink, but stop. Could it really be bad? Or have we been conditioned to trust a tiny number more than our senses? Last week, I almost tossed my chocolate. Then I noticed a thin white streak on top. I paused. It wasn't mold. It was just cocoa fat separating. That little moment made me rethink every expiry date in my fridge. Millions of people face this daily dilemma. It's visual, it's familiar, and it makes us doubt ourselves. That's why we're here, to look past the printed numbers and see what's really going on inside your fridge. Wait, it gets even stranger. Some foods can last years past their best before date and still be completely safe. Let's start with a common belief. Expiration dates equal unsafe food. You've been told that since childhood. But here's the strange part. Food doesn't follow a clock. Just because it's past midnight doesn't mean it suddenly goes bad. In fact, many foods can last well beyond the printed date. So what do these dates really mean? There are three main labels you see on packaging. Best before, about quality, not safety. Chips, cereal, chocolate might taste slightly different after this date, but aren't necessarily dangerous. Have you ever opened a bag of chips weeks past its best before date and it still tasted fine? Exactly. Some people assume it's unsafe just because the number passed, but quality fading isn't the same as going bad. Sell by, mostly for stores. It tells them how long to keep the item on shelves, not you. Yogurt or milk won't spoil the moment that date passes. This one is for inventory management, not a health warning. Think of it as a guide for the store, not a countdown timer for your fridge. Use by, important for foods that spoil quickly, like meat or fish. But even here, your senses, smell, look, texture, often tell more than a printed number. You can often detect spoilage faster than a label can. For instance, fresh fish might smell off even before the use-by date, and that's the real sign to toss it. Here's a little twist. Many people throw away yogurt simply because of best before dates, even when it's perfectly fine. Imagine a tub sitting in your fridge, smells fresh, no mold, tastes normal. Tossing it immediately is unnecessary. Wait, did you notice? Even though the date says expired, your senses often give a more accurate signal. That's a game changer. Here's where it gets really interesting. Did you know honey can last thousands of years and still be safe? Or that canned foods remain perfectly edible for years past their best before date? These examples sound unbelievable, but they are real. Think closer to home. Yogurt smells fresh, no mold, tastes normal, usually okay. Chocolate, white coating, just cocoa fat separating. Cereal, sealed and dry, lasts weeks past the date. Even certain nuts and dry pasta can last far longer than the printed label. So why do these dates exist? Companies choose them conservatively to be safe legally and commercially. Printed dates aren't always about spoilage, they're about avoiding complaints and returns. Imagine being the manufacturer. You'd rather be safe than risk customer complaints. Even if your product is fine, that tiny number becomes a safety net for them, not a real measure of when food goes bad. Here's a curiosity point. Have you noticed honey crystallizing in the jar? People often panic, thinking it's spoiled, but crystallization is normal. Simply warm the jar and it returns to liquid. The food was always safe, just visually different. Wait, here's a mind bender. Some canned foods in your pantry might be perfectly safe for years past their date, yet we toss them immediately. Crazy, right? Millions of people throw away perfectly good food daily because of a number on a package. That's money down the drain and food waste on a massive scale. Ever stop to consider how much of your groceries end up in the bin over these dates? Even though some dates matter, Many don't. Chips, chocolate, honey, yogurt often outlast the best before date. Yet habits make us toss them immediately. Food is more resilient than we think. Understanding labels empowers smarter choices, saving money and reducing waste, all without risking health. Think about the emotional impact too. How often do we feel guilty for tossing food, or annoyed when groceries we paid for end up in the bin? That's the hidden cost of misunderstanding dates. It's not just money, it's habits, awareness, and our perception of what's safe. Here's a question. If you can tell a food is fine by sight, smell, or taste, why let a number alone make your decision? By trusting your senses, you can reduce waste and save hundreds of dollars a year. Now here's the twist. Those dates, companies decide them, not scientists. They're usually conservative, earlier than actual spoilage, to protect against complaints and manage inventory. Honey over 3,000 years old found in tombs, still edible. Canned foods often last years past the date if unopened, yet we toss them immediately. Some foods do require caution: meat, fish, dairy. But even then, your senses often tell more than the date. Think of expiry dates as a quality guideline, not a death timer. Cereal past its peak isn't bad, just less crisp. Chocolate spots? Cosmetic, not dangerous. The real question isn't, is it expired? But what does this date actually mean? Pause, ask questions, smell, look, touch. Decide wisely. You'll see many foods are safer and more durable than you thought. If this made you see something ordinary in a completely new way, you're in the right place. This is Simple Things Analysis. Don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever noticed something like this before? And subscribe for more videos that uncover the hidden logic behind everyday things.